In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your ConvertKit email list with Payhip. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive in. First, let's discuss why integrating ConvertKit with Payhip can be beneficial for you. If you're an online creator, whether you sell courses, ebooks, or any digital products, connecting your email marketing platform with your sales platform can significantly streamline your business processes. It allows you to gather leads automatically, nurture them through your email campaigns, and ultimately boost your sales, all while saving you time. To start this integration, you'll need to have accounts set up on both ConvertKit and Payhip. If you haven't done this yet, go ahead and sign up for an account on each platform. Once you're all set up, let's move on to the integration process. First, let's jump into Payhip. Log into your Payhip account, and after you're in, look for the Settings option in the sidebar menu. Click on that, and you'll be taken to different settings for your store. Here, you want to look for the Integrations tab. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the Integrations section, you'll see a few different options for email marketing services. Click on the option for ConvertKit, and Payhip will prompt you to connect your account. To do this, you'll need to input your ConvertKit API key along with your ConvertKit account information. Now, where can you find that API key? Let's make sure you know exactly where to look. To get your API key, open a new tab and log into your ConvertKit account. Once you're in, navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner, and then select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. On the left side, you'll see an option for API keys. When you click on that, you should see your API key listed there. Go ahead and copy that key. Now, return to Payhip and paste the API key into the appropriate field. Don't forget to save your changes. Along with that, if Payhip asks for any other information such as your ConvertKit username or any specific settings for the integration, make sure to fill those out as well. Every integration may vary slightly, so be attentive to what is being asked. Once you save everything on Payhip, the integration is almost complete. Next, head back to ConvertKit and let's ensure your settings are aligned correctly. In ConvertKit, you need to set up a form or a landing page that aligns with your email list. This will be essential for capturing subscribers from Payhip purchases. For example, create a sign-up form and customize it to match your brand. You can add fields for names, emails, and any other relevant information you'd like to gather. Make sure the form is integrated with the email list you want to use. Once your form looks good, make sure to copy the form or page link. Coming back to Payhip, you'll need to decide when and where to trigger this email sign-up. Typically, after a customer makes a purchase, you want to capture their email and add them to the ConvertKit email list automatically. Return to your Payhip settings, and under the same Integrations tab, look for options to connect the form you created. Finally, test the entire process to ensure it's integrated seamlessly. Make a test purchase on Payhip using a different email address. After the purchase, check both Payhip and ConvertKit. Ensure that the email was captured successfully in your ConvertKit account. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've integrated your ConvertKit email list with Payhip, allowing you to nurture your customer relationships and grow your business. That's it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.